welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, then definitely hello to you, beautiful. So today I'm going to show you all 8 different head wrap styles that you can use. Maybe when you have an old hairstyle like this old perm rod set of mine, but you aren't ready to wash it out yet because maybe you don't have time. So if you want to see my perm rod when it was cute and how I achieved it, and I'll put a card here, and you can also click the link in the description box. I promise it was cute. I'll insert a picture. Anyway, if you all do enjoy this video, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell to get notified of my future weekly videos. Without further ado, 8 styles. The head wrap I'm using is from Melanin Hair Care by Natural85, one of the top natural hair influencers. For this first style, I am pulling my hair up into a high ponytail, and then I've folded the scarf in half and I'm taking it behind my head, and I'm going to just pull one part of it through to form a little tie in the front, and then I will take it to the back. I am not going to tie it in the back. Simply cross the 2 ends, and you're going to twist each half up like so, and then tuck it in the top of the scarf. And do the other side. And round, period. For the next style, I've pulled my hair into a low bun. Doesn't have to be neat because it's going to be covered completely. Then you pull the head wrap to the front of your head, and you are going to tie it in the back underneath the bun. And then you're going to tighten it. And you will take one half and start twisting it up. And you're going to take it up across your head and tuck it in wherever it ends. Then you will do the same thing with the next piece. And the last piece will go in the front. And then you're going to tuck it in. And I love, love, love this one. For this next one, I'm going to put a bun at the top front of my head, very, very high. And then I'll take the scarf from the back all the way over all of my hair in the front. And then I am going to pull one piece through so that I can tighten this in front of the bun. If there's any extra pieces hanging in the front like there, honestly you could just tuck it back, but most of it goes away when you tighten. Then you're going to take each half and twist it. You see a trend here, twisting. And then you're going to wrap it around the bun and tuck it wherever it ends. Same thing on the other side as well. Yes, I love the elegance of this look. And I mean, period. Honey, I love being black. You can't tell me nothing. For this one, I am just pulling my hair up into a very loose pony, and it looks very raggedy, but that's the beauty of wearing head wraps. No one's gonna see my roots anyway. So I'm pulling this up from the back of my head, and then I'm gonna pull it tightly at the right side of my hair and twist tightly for about the first 4 or 5 twists, and then you can twist loosely. You're just gonna wrap it around to the other side and tuck it whenever it ends. This one is really simple. This one is pretty simple. Start with a low bun, and then you are going to take the scarf across the front of your head, and you are going to tie it in the back underneath the bun, similar to one of the other ones, and tighten it. And then once again, we're gonna take both sides one at a time, twist them, and then we're gonna twist these around the bun until you run out of space and tuck it. And then you will do the same thing on the other side, and that's it, my fam. This wrap is just like the last one, but with the bang out. So right now I'm just pinning the bang to the side, and then I put the head wrap on the front after pulling my hair into a bun. And I'm doing the same thing as the last one. Twist and wrap and end it wherever it ends. Yeah. Somebody come get your girl though. She's doing the flirty hair behind the ear look with no hair. So this next one is a bit tricky. I actually advise you use a silk or satin scrunchie instead of a hair tie. That way your hair doesn't get tangled in it. Pull your hair into a very low and very loose ponytail at the back, lower than I did mine actually. Leave your bangs out, put the headscarf on. You're going to take the headscarf to the back, like I'm doing here, from front to back. And the key here is to pull one half of the headscarf through. You are going to tie the scarf on top or above the ponytail, and then you will tighten it. Make sure you go through and remove any hair that got caught in there, and you tighten it like so. After you tighten it, you're going to pull those two pieces to the front. And for a really fun and youthful look, I like to pull mine to the side, but you can obviously put it right on the front. But I pull mine to the side and do a nice little bow. After you tie it in the front, you simply remove the hair tie, which hopefully is a silk or satin scrunchie instead, and your hair is down. Adjust your bangs and bam. Now this is the one, the classic one. You just pull your hair back into a bun, as small as you can make it, as low as you can take it, bars. And then you're gonna take the scarf from the back to the front of your head, tighten and twist. If you have an extra piece like that, twist it in. And you wanna make sure that you are twisting this pretty tight all the way down, because next you're gonna wrap it around, kind of donutting it around itself, and then tuck when you reach the end. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope that you found a style that you liked. If you did, comment down below and let me know which ones you're going to try or which ones that you've already tried before. If you like this, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified of future videos. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I love you. Stay blessed and beautiful. See you in the next video.